Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered how to make your presentations more engaging and interactive? Well, you are in the right place. Today, we'll be exploring Sendsteps AI, an innovative presentation maker that can transform your traditional presentations into dynamic and interactive experiences. Presents are only as good as their story, but where do you begin? How do you interact with your audience and keep them engaged? That is where Sendsteps comes in. With our solution, you can keep your audience focused, entertained, and engaged. Whether you are presenting online or in person, Sendsteps has you covered. To begin our journey with Sendsteps AI, the first thing we will do is create an account. And trust me, it is a breeze. All you need to do is head over to sendsteps.com and keep an eye out for the sign up for free button, which you can find up there on the upper right next to the login button. Now, here is the great part. You have got 3 super convenient options to choose from when signing up. You can either go to the LinkedIn route, use your Google account, or simply stick with your good old email address. Just pick whichever one feels most comfortable to you. For today, I will demonstrate how to sign up using my Google account because it is quick and easy. By following these simple steps, you'll be all set up with Sendsteps AI and you will all be ready to explore all the fantastic features it has in store for you. Once you have completed the simple sign-up process, especially if you are new to Sendsteps AI, you'll be greeted by a welcoming message. Don't worry if you see it, you can easily dismiss it if you prefer. Now, at this point, you'll find yourself with 3 intriguing choices laid out before you. Create your first Sendsteps, generate a presentation, or start from a template. Today, let us embark on the journey of creating my first Sendsteps. So go ahead and click on Create My First Sendsteps. What follows will feel somewhat familiar if you have ever used presentation software like PowerPoint. You are about to add slides to build your presentation. But here is where things get exciting. Sendsteps AI is not your run-of-the-mill presentation tool. It harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to take your presentations to the next level. Let us get familiar with the dashboard, which is like the main hub for your presentations. Think of it as the control center where you can manage your projects and find useful tools. On the left side of your screen, you will find your workspace and resources, basically where you can see your templates, settings, library, etc. In the center of the dashboard, you will have some decisions to make regarding your presentation. You can kick things off by using a document you already have, import a PowerPoint presentation you have created before, or start a completely new presentation from the beginning. The choice is yours, and it depends on what suits your needs and preferences. Below that, you will see a list of projects you have created before. So, if you are trying to find something that you have created before, all you need to do is scroll down and you will spot it right there. This setup is all about making your experience smoother and more convenient. Now, here comes the exciting part. If you are eager to learn more about using these tools effectively, you can simply subscribe to our channel. In the upcoming videos, we will guide you through each of these options step by step, making it easy to understand. What we have shown you today is just a sneak peek of what is possible, and there is a whole world of presentation mastery waiting for you to explore. So, stick with us and you will discover the secrets to creating great presentations. I hope this quick guide on getting started with Sendsteps AI has been helpful to you. With this tool, you can elevate your presentations, meetings, training sections, or lessons from one-way presentations into engaging two-way conversations. Sendsteps AI opens the door to a more interactive and impactful way of sharing information. As we conclude, stay tuned for more exciting tutorials on how to make the most out of Sendsteps AI. We will dive deeper into its features and help you become a pro at creating engaging and effective presentations. Your journey with Sendsteps AI is just beginning, and there's a lot more to discover. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for more exciting tutorials on how to make the most out of Sendsteps AI. See you in our next video.